Oh my god, I just got this on the mail. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So I got the Jeffree mystery box for Halloween. I'm so excited. So before we start with the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video. And without further ado, let's see what's in this mystery box. Okay, so I have a little pair of scissors, so we're gonna be opening it. Okay, so I'm gonna have you guys have the first look. So I'm just gonna open it, but I'm gonna look up to show my address. But this is what it comes in the box. I hope you guys can see. So I know there's tissue, so I'm gonna remove it. So this is what it's in the box. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm so excited. So it comes with black tissue. Okay, so the first thing that I see is a t-shirt. Let me open it. Oh my god, so it says can't relate, and then it has the skeleton snappy fingers. I can't believe I have one of these shirts. Oh my god, just the detail of the nails, like it has spider webs and little spiders. Oh my god, I have to change. Let me change into this. So let's do one of those snapping cuts in the video. So oh my god, so let me lower down my phone so you guys can kind of see, but this is how it looks like. Oh my god, you guys, it's so cute. I love how it has like, it kind of reminds me of like candy corn in a way, because you know it has like orange and then the light orange and then the skeleton hands. That's so freaking cool. So the first thing that I see is a liquid frost. This one I know is a liquid highlight, and this one is in the chill zone. Okay, so we're gonna open it and see how it looks. I've never had any of the liquid frost. I do have skin frost from him and lipsticks, but not a liquid frost. So I know it comes, you twist it and this thing comes up. You're supposed to open it and then, oh wow. That's really dark. Okay, so I'm gonna apply just a little bit. Wow, that is really dark. It's really pretty. It is like a kind of like a dark rose gold. It's really pretty. I'm sure if you blend it out and then put like a lighter highlight on top of it, like a powder highlight, it's gonna look really good. And oh my god, you guys, it has like specks of glitter. I can see it's like pink and I want to say like silver green glitter. That's really pretty. I'll for sure find a way to try to wear this out, but that's how it looks like. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Look at my finger. So the next thing that I see is a Velour liquid lipstick, and this one is in bronze blood. Oh yeah, it is like a bronzy rose gold shade. Wow, that's really pretty. It almost looks like the liquid frost. Just look at that, it kind of looks the same. I hope you guys can tell, but it's a metallic shade and it's a bronzy shade. Okay, so moving on to the next thing. So the next thing is a lip ammunition, and this one is in snow cone. So it's another one from his summer collection, and I can tell that this one is a grim lipstick. But I know the lipsticks from the summer collection are like a they're like shimmer. I'm not really worrying about that, but this is how it looks like. It's a pale green, so let's see how that looks. Wow, that it's really pretty. So it's good that it's like a shimmer lipstick, because I believe these are like lipstick toppers or something like that. So you can wear like a normal lipstick and then apply this one on top, and it's just gonna look super pretty with all the glitters. The next thing is a gloss. Oh my god, I've been wanting one for like the longest time, but I just never got the chance to get one. But oh my god, because I remember when he came out with them and everyone went crazy. Oh my god, I forgot to say the shade. So the shade is Sequin Glass. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it. Let's see. Oh wow, that's so pretty. It's like, it doesn't even look brown, it just looks kind of clear, and then it has purple glitters. That's so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see, I hope you guys can see, but it looks like purple little glitters. So next, the Mini Breaker palette. Oh my god, so this is my first ever Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, oh my god. So I'm trying not to fangirl, but it's so hard. Oh my god, this is so good quality. Okay, so we're down to 2 things. So the next thing is a Skin Frost, and I know this one is for just the Halloween edition. This one is a Mystery Frost, that's the shade, and I love that he replaced the O with a little ghost. So let's open it, guys. Like, I have no idea how this looks. Okay, so right off the bat, I can see that it comes in his normal pink packaging, but this is the sticker that's so pretty. Oh my god, I wish it had come out with like actually black and orange packaging for this Skin Frost. But so, moment of truth.
Oh, don't tell me
This happened. Oh my god, the highlight is just beautiful. So I got some on my hands, so I'm just gonna, oh my god, it's just a really pretty gold highlight. So I'm actually gonna apply some. I have the Morphe M510, so we're just gonna swirl around on the brush. Let's see. I think this one is gonna be my favorite highlight of the moment. It's just a really pretty gold shade. Like, I thought because it comes with like black speckles, I thought that they were gonna come out and like actually show black, but no, once you like mix all the colors together, it makes a really pretty gold. Wow. Okay, so we're just down to the last thing, and so moment of truth. Moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a mirror. I can't believe he added a mirror, a shirt, and an eyeshadow palette. Like, okay, so that was the last thing on the box. I can't believe that came in the box. Wow. So I already showed you guys everything that came in the box. Okay, so before I just talk and talk and talk and talk and annoy you guys, this is what was on my mystery box. I'm super satisfied with what I got. I'm gonna for sure wear everything in this mystery box. Like, it's just awesome. So before we go, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.